Well, Smarty, Rose did not buy market for this one. Rose did not buy market. Oh man. The last 20 pounds there, eh? Oh. Okay, our safety. No. Since no one let us rest on Sapler Road. He don't put cloth to.
Fight officer, get this.
This also is look at over them. You say when I put that was in that, so you will never receive.
No, this man,
Oh man, rest of the buy market today. This is a player that don't let us rest.
I fake news. I bet why you go to tell us about
Yeah.